Turkey leftovers. Hello, welcome to News You Can Eat. I'm Chef Walter. Rather than settling for boring, bland turkey sandwiches, consider these genius ways to use up your Thanksgiving leftovers. An added bonus, they'll free up some fridge space just in time for the Christmas season's cooking. Turkey sandwiches on sourdough bread. Stuffing meatballs with pine nuts and raisins. Potato leek soup with crispy smoked ham. That's a good one. Cranberry hand pies and puff pastry. Wonderful appetizer. Creamy turkey pasta casserole with toasted walnuts. Turkey sliders with southern biscuits. Sweet potato hummus, always a favorite dip. Turkey pot pie. As you know, the classics never die. Pesto turkey salad croissant. Turkey noodle soup with shredded Savoy cabbage. And turkey brie and bacon sandwich, and I am sure this one you already know. And that is News You Can Eat for today. We'll chat next time. Ciao, ciao.